Hocking Hills, guys. I know there's a lot of people that take vacation. We just came out of Hallsville, Ohio. We're headed to Hocking Hills, Ohio. This is in Ohio. Just let you know this. But anyways, yeah. I noticed there's a lot of people that travel from different states to come out in Hocking Hills. And I got a job that we're doing out here. So, I figure I'd give you guys a little bit of this country trip. That took my stomach a hill. This is our farmland. Here, Melvin, you hold that for them. Show them some of that farmland we got here. Out around here.
Nice little countryside there.
Yeah, that's what I've seen online. There's some people driving from California and stuff come out here and hike the hills in Hocking County.
I got my little phone here, charger. I got mine on tripod going on.
Okay, this is
here.
Clapper Hollow Road. This is where I'm headed.
Continue on Clapper Hollow Road for half a mile.
We're on Clap Road. Clapper Road. People see us with freaking cameras and stuff. Yeah.
Alright.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Okay, guys, this is where we're going to be working. Property owners, they own up to here. How long's everything been here, Kathy? Since like 1950? Huh?
1930 is when it was built.
Here it is, guys. This is the barn. Oh.
Okay, never mind. Here, let me get a shovel here. Where's the shovel? This right here is what holds it. It's all this turn.
I wish I could have did that plastic.
Yeah. You guys need to start a YouTube channel on this property. Here it is, guys. This is where they had a bunch of the metal for the old barn. Here's the old outhouse. It's been here since 1930. Here's the cabin that's down here. And of course, they want us to knock this down. And this is in Hocking Hills, Hocking County. It's got a little wall here. The old air conditioner sticking out of this. Old bottles. This property's been sitting vacant for a long time, since 1950. Look at this, guys. Believe it or not, the old fire is still good. Scotch whiskey. Some old shotters. Huh. Think it went there, maybe? This other room, though, it don't look bad. Here's what this one looks like. It's an old table. It'll probably clean up, though. It's an oldie. Look at this. Old Coca-Cola cans. Huh. Now this room looks good. Everything in here, the walls, if you guys can see. Look how nice that wood looks. Got some beams running across. It's a shame. Some old games. That says 1986. Oh, I almost wonder if that's this cabin. Look at this, guys. There's that. There's the window. Look at this. Doors on this side. And then you guys got to look at this now. Window, doors on that side. Wow. Huh. Who knows? It says hunting lodge. Might have been what this is. But anyways, this goes down in the basement. And this is where your bathroom was. Got an old shower down in here. Here's the old bathtub. Here's where your toilet is. Then you got the old well. Washing machine. An oldie. She's an oldie. But I wanted to show you guys what to get into. You never know. Oh. Oh, ice hockeys. Be darned. They need to put that up out there. This is an old book. I like old newspapers and stuff. Look at this stuff, guys. Get the bugs off of it. This old lamp. Old lampshade. Old wicker furniture. Like I said, there's a pond over in there.